Hello everyone and welcome back to Kitchen Instruments. Now, with Thanksgiving only a week away, it's not going to be too long before you're waking up early and making turkey, you're making mashed potatoes, you're making stuffing, you're making cranberry sauce, you're making pumpkin pie, and at some point you might think to yourself, oh, I forgot to make gravy. Well, that is where I come in. So today I'm going to show you how to make a quick, easy, and delicious gravy from scratch. It takes really no effort and, more importantly, no time to make if you need gravy on the fly. And as always, if you enjoyed today's show, please feel free to hit that like button and also share it, because it actually does help my channel grow by helping it reach a broader audience. And also, if you really love this show, feel free to hit that subscribe button, because, you know, why not? It's right there. You're already on the page. Alright, so who's ready to make some quick and easy, delicious, down and dirty gravy? I know you are. You don't have much time. Let's do this. And there you have it, my I forgot to make gravy for when you need to make gravy on the fly. See? Super simple. Alright, well that's all I have time for today, so stop by later in the week where we're going to be making carne asada chili, just in time for that cold weather. I'll see you guys then.